Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Welcome to Hoi An Beach. Parking area for motorcycles, and this one is they have also restaurant here, guys. This is the menu restaurant. So guys, now we will go to the beach, and many tourists come here. This is the tourist. One of the tourists. For rent. Surfing. They are renting for surfing here, guys. See? And you are one of them if you are going to come here in Hoi An Beach. What?
Anbang.
In Anbang Beach. Yes, Anbang Beach, guys. In Hoi An.
Hoi An.
Hoi An.
Hoi.
Ay, Hoi An. Hoi An, guys. Oh my gosh, I pronounce. See, you can lay down here in the sun, read the books, so that it will not be. Oh my gosh, more on foreigners come here. More on foreigners come here. See. Oh, who are scared to the sun? They are not scared to the sun. Look, oh, they are just lay down in the hot sun. Oh, they are just lay down in the sun, hot sand. You can book one of them here, guys. to stay. If you are scared to the sun, you have to book one of them to oh my gosh, what? Couples, many couples come here, including us. So, why I don't see Filipino here?
How much is the chair?
50 kasi
Jasmine restaurant, free parking, Wi-Fi, sandbed, and shower. Welcome to Andong Beach, Hoi An. They have free parking, and Wi-Fi, and sandbed, and shower, guys.
we have a brace and bag, you don't buy money. Brace and bag, umbrella, towel, shower.
We will come back.
20 for right here. And
Yeah.
three is with here.
Yeah, we will come back.
Let me try to have it, to be in the sun for 1 hour. Oh my god, it's not easy.
You will get red.
Yeah.
I've seen it.
And then turning brown. I should wear my flip-flops.
Spot. So even Filipinos can go red, huh?
We are we are not alien. Alien. Hello.
Free?
Yes, brace and bed.
Free? But we have to order something. Do we want something?
Yeah, but we need to go there first because
come
we
back.
are filming.
You can
Let's go.
You can continue.
Let's go. Let's continue this filming, guys, because I want to show you the whole beach here in Andang, Hoi An. See, there are so many foreigners coming here. I don't know why. Maybe because it's peaceful and they have place to read.
Here you get free everything. That's how,
Free sunbed, free shower and towel,
that's
free
how you get
Wi-Fi, free parking.
that's how you get a customer.
What is that? And here, on this side, you can play volleyball, right? Ah,
I think they're still putting sand there. Dredging it up.
hey guys, I'm gonna show you the whole beach. Ta-dang! See, they have Long Beach here. The couples. Did you see that? There is
That's a different beach.
here.
Yeah. I think that's it. Look,
Yeah, only here.
we should have gone here. Let's go along the beach. How's the water?
We will check the water if it's cold. Wow! Warm and I'm wet. I will not go to the beach again, joke. I was just joking, guys. Of course, I love beach. I love the ocean. I love the sea. Ah! They want me to swim, guys. Let me go first. Ah! It's not warm. They have cold. They have cold water here, guys. Can you touch? Thank you. We are still filming.
Come back, yeah. Do you want to come back?
We need to go there first.
On the road or something.
Guys, look at my boyfriend. My boyfriend is
One
hot.
of them need flip-flops here.
Sun or sun here.
You can go up there.
Okay, sure.
Okay.
Let's check it out. Because you get a better view. It's really
Ah, so this is the shower. Welcome to Garden Sea. Why it's called garden? Garden. I don't see any flowers. There is one.